Hello students, welcome to Crack Grade B online learning platform. As you know that FSSI had declared the exam dates for Central Food Safety Officer and Technical Officer. The exam will be held in multiple shifts on 19th of January 2022 and 20th of January 2022. CFSO exam will be held on uh, 19th of January and TO exam means Technical Officer exam will be held on 20th of January 2022. Other post exam date we will discuss in the next slide. So FSI courses we are providing for CFSO Technical Officer complete content plus video lecture. This printed notes will be sent you. We will send at your address. Video lectures we will also be providing in our platform. You can log in and watch videos, mock test also, and topic wise MCQs also we are providing in this course. It will cost you 1699 in 999 only. If you only hard copy if you want, no video lecture, no mock test you want, no MCQs, then it will cost you 999. In 999 we will send the hard copy also at your registered address. And test series only if you want, that 8 mock test for CBT1 we will provide, and that will cost you 299. And in 999 we will provide the MCQs as well. We will upload it. Those who have subscribed this course, we will upload it within 1 or 2 days in your course. You can log in and check. So you have to register at our website crackgradeb.com and subscribe the courses. Once again I would like to tell you that in 1699 printed notes plus video lecture plus mocks plus topic wise MCQs, 999 only a hard copy plus MCQs, topic wise MCQs, and FSI CFSO test series 8 mock test for CBT1 we will provide in this. So these are the exam date for assistant manager 17th of January, assistant manager IT assistant, Hindi translator, personal assistant manager mass communication, assistant manager IT, that's 17th January, IT assistant, Hindi translator, personal assistant, personal assistant. This exam will be held on 18th January in multiple shift. Junior assistant grade 1 food analyst on 19th January, central food safety officer on 19th January, technical officer on 20th January in multiple shift, assistant on 20th of January 2022. So these are the exam dates. So you start your preparation, and for the last time also we provided the content for this exam, and more than 80% question were covered from our study material. And these were the candidates who selected, those who subscribed our content and were finally selected as Central Food Safety Officer and Technical Officer. And in other exam also, this RBI Grade B 2021 exam, our student rank 1, means All India rank 1 in the RBI Grade B 2021 exam. These are our other selected candidates for RBI Grade B 2021. If you have any queries regarding the course subscription and details, you can contact us at our email ID and contact number given on the website. Thank you and